Do you ever wish you had a space you could just escape from the busyness of your life for even a weekend without having to pack up and drive to country? Jamaican locals, this is for you or anybody coming to Kingston, Jamaica especially. Let me show you a modern, budget-friendly home away from home. Hi guys, welcome back. You know I'm all about the bougie on a budget, and I have to share this particular space with you. It is rented on Airbnb, but it just felt like home to me. Oh, that rhymed. First, you want to sign in and get sanitized because gas to keep safe. And for all you guys that don't like to walk up the stairs, take the elevator. It is a pretty easy find because it's on the first floor of the building, and it is smart lock operated, and once you have the code, you have access to this lovely apartment. Don't you just love this place? Like, I just want to show you guys what I am doing today. So let's get it started. So of course the kitchen is very quaint and cute, modern, and they gave me a little welcome snack, which I thought was sweet of them. So there is everything that you need. There's a microwave, the drawers are stocked with utensils, and you have access to all the pots, pans, bowls, cups, and everything you will need for the foodie who is going to do some heavy cooking. Or if you're not going to look at these things, then let's just skip to the next section because we all know that you ain't gonna cook. And of course you can expect that they don't really provide you with any food. They give you salt, pepper, and I think coffee creamer and sugar, but you just have to buy your own things. They also provided you with tea, how could I have forgotten, and disinfectant spray. Look at where the closet is. That is the laundry room per se. It has everything you need if you want to wash and dry your clothes. So we're going into the living room. I think that is probably the favorite place in that whole space. Hands down, not because it only has 2 rooms in the whole apartment, really and truly, but it doubles as a dining room and a living room, which I thought was amazing, and I liked how they decorated everything for that homely feel. Personally, I never wanted to leave, and I felt like I could just binge watch Netflix for the rest of the day. It is great for couples who want a new experience from their household or living situation, and it is perfect for the solo person that just wants to rejuvenate and have a self-care weekend. Man, they really went all out on the detail. Love it. Well guys, the bathroom was a bathroom. I loved the tiling and the little decor. They thought that they could put in a little plant that was kind of cute. The bathroom has Febreze and soap for you to wash your hands. I loved the rain shower. Of course, I have to have that anywhere I go. It's just a preference of mine. Ooh, guys, the bedroom. It has a cute desk space and king bed. So, of course, you can just sprawl out, as Jamaicans say, and take up all the space in the world. It is very comfy, and it warmed my heart. The room itself was spacious, and of course you see me feeling up the blankets because it brings back memories. The desk space, it's everything that you need. It has a little light. The chair is kind of comfortable, but who wants to be doing work on a little self-care weekend? Like, seriously. Anyhow, so you have a TV and of course the AC. There's AC in all the rooms in the house. You can catch up on Netflix if you want. And before I forget, you guys get another closet space with hangers. There's a safe, mirror, there's an ironing board with an iron, and of course shelf space and extra towels if you need it. If you need it. So moving back, you have a TV if you want to catch up on Netflix, like I said, because I'm all about Netflix and their movies for a good self-care weekend. The place is adequately lit. I know I am at some Airbnbs where the only light is in the kitchen because it's dimly lit, but it's adequately lit, and you have a little balcony space. And when I say little, I mean very, very, very small. So I think that is it. I'm going to stop talking because I wanted this video to be relatively short. So guys, if you're interested in staying here, I will put the link in the description to their Airbnb, and I hope you like the video and like the space as much as I did. So guys, until next time, bye.